Hi guys, Little Star here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Funko Shop Exclusive Ultimate Disney Princess Pocahontas. So here's the front of the box, the side of the box, here's the back of the box and the other characters for this set, the other side of the box, the top and the bottom. I do want to point out first before we unbox this that for some reason this box, if I get another example, so I've got two of the Funko Shop exclusives, but this one has more like a shine to it, whereas this one's more like a matte finish on the box. Just so people know that if they ever get one and it's like matte finish, that's how it's supposed to be, because this has come straight from the Funko Shop. It wasn't bought on secondary market. So just to let people know. Right guys, let's unbox this. So here's Pocahontas out of the box. I do like how it's from like the wind, paint the colours of the wind scene in the movie. I do like how they've done the wind and got leaves in it around the bottom half and then around the top. And I like all the leaves in a hair at the top and inside. She is on a stand that don't come off. It goes right into her back. So, because she is small in frame at the bottom, so she would just topple over. And I do like how her hair is blowing in the wind as well. And it's just the original outfit from the movie as well. And she's wearing a necklace as well. Wow, let's do some close-ups. We'll go behind. Right guys, so that was the Funko Shop Exclusive Ultimate Disney Princess Pocahontas. I hope you enjoy the video.